Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and today I am making a cherry cheesecake lush. I know there's a lot of cherry cheesecake recipes out there, but this one is amazing. Let me show you the ingredients. I have cream cheese, Cool Whip, butter. I have some vanilla wafers, milk, powdered sugar, some pecans, cherry pie fillings, and I have instant pudding. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're gonna start off by preheating our oven at 350 and take your 9 by 13 dish and spread some butter on the bottom. Just like so. Melt 2 sticks of butter. And take your vanilla wafers and beat them to crumbs. If you're stressed, this recipe is a great recipe for you. Take your vanilla wafers, crumbs, and just pour it in the butter. Take your pecan. Mix everything really well. Just make sure that all the crumbs and the pecans are well coated with the butter. Take your dish and just pour this mixture on the bottom. And just spread it evenly. And we're going to bake this in the oven for 15 minutes. After that, I'll show you the next step. While the vanilla wafers are baking, let's start by making the cheesecake. Add your cream cheese, powdered sugar, Cool Whip, I'm going to mix everything together. After that, I'll show you what it looks like. My cheesecake filling is ready. This is how it's looking, and it looks really good. So now let's move to the vanilla pudding. Next, we're going to make our vanilla pudding. Pour your mix in a bowl. Pour your milk. And we're just going to mix this until it's well combined. After 2 minutes, this is how it's looking. What you want to do now is add your Cool Whip. Now gently fold it in. After folding in the Cool Whip and the pudding, this is how it's looking. So we're gonna set this aside and I will show you the next step. The crust is out of the oven, so I'm just gonna let it cool completely before we add the cheesecake filling on top. Okay, so go ahead and take your cheesecake filling and just put it right on top of this crust. Your pudding. And spread it evenly. After adding your vanilla pudding, take your cherry pie filling and just add it right on top. After adding your cherry pie filling on top, this is how it's looking. It's looking so good. So now what you want to do is add the remainder of your Cool Whip. After adding the Cool Whip on top, go ahead and sprinkle it with some pecan for some extra crunch. Just like that. Tell me this doesn't look so good. All right, guys, so my cherry cheesecake lush is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut you guys a piece. Look how amazing this looks. Oh my gosh. Hands down, this is my favorite cheesecake. You have to try it. Leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. If you made it this far, give me a like and I'll see you later.